Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing super well. So I'm finally back in Germany after being gone in the US for 5 months again. And this is all the mail that I got to my German address in the meantime. So these are about 30 letters. So I thought we could open them together. I really can't remember what's in all of them, except for this one. So I'd say let's start with that one. Okay, so in here should be a cutter to cut open letters, and I needed one of those so badly, so I'm really excited to open this. Let's see. Also, I do want to apologize for my stuffy nose, but I literally got back to Germany yesterday and I'm so allergic to pollen. So yeah, it has been really bad since yesterday. So I apologize for that, but let's see. Hi, thank you so much for joining my Go. I hope everything arrives safe. So that's the person I joined their Go. A really nice group order manager, and they packed it so cutely. Okay, I didn't expect it to be this small, but it's definitely really cute. So yeah, I would say let's use this to open our trades. Okay, next. So as I said, I really have no idea what's gonna be inside here. Ooh, I like the cutter. Oh, yay! Okay, they said thanks for trading. It's the person I traded with. And we have this super cute Stacy card, which I bought it. I didn't trade it, I bought it, sorry. Thanks for the cute freebies. Yay, I'm so happy to have this card. Okay, here's the next one. I feel like I'm gonna know what's inside, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Yes, I'm pretty sure that that's Yoongi's permission to dance cards. Yes, they are. Okay, so this should be a full set. Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh my god, they are so cute. And also, I don't know why, but I'm kind of dumb, so I joined 2 goes for these cards actually, so I'm gonna have to sell or trade the other one, the other set. So yeah, that's that. Next is this pink letter.
Oh, that's so cute. Here, let's see.
Thanks for buying. Okay, what did I buy? And then, oh yes, I bought a Onda from Everglow card, so I could finish this OT6 set. And the person also gave me lots and lots of cute freebies. Thank you so much for that. And this is the person I bought from. Thank you so much. Next up, it is a trade. Oh my god, yes! I'm so excited for this card. Yay! This is the person I traded with. And I finally have this card. I'm trying to hurry a little bit because I have a lot of things to do today. But I wanted to film this video because I'm so curious to see what's in those letters. They also gave me some freebies. Oh, this is like an official pre-order card. Okay, I can't get it out, but it's Momo's Eyes Wide Open pre-order card, so thank you for that. It's really nice of you. Next we have this letter, and some of them my mom already opened for me, so I could, oh my gosh, yes. So I could tell the people that their cards have arrived. So, but I don't know what's in them, so. Oh, they slipped out. Oh no, she took them out. Never mind. Yeah, so this is the person I joined their Go. They are such an amazing Go manager. I really love joining their Go's, which is why I also got so many cards. So these are all mainly Everglow's Mia pre-order benefits, but I also got some album cards again to finish some sets and some more pre-order cards. Yay, so that's so exciting. I have so many Mia pobs in these letters, so these will definitely not be the last. Thank you so much for letting me join your Go. Okay, this letter was also already open, but I really don't know. Oh, okay. So this was a trade. Yes. This is the person I traded with. And they gave me some really cute freebies. Thank you so much for that. And then I have this Jihyo Formula of Love photo card. And I think now I'm only missing one more Jihyo to complete my bias line Formula of Love. Yeah, this card is really, really pretty. Thank you so much for trading. Next up, this letter is also once again already open, but I haven't looked inside. So this was a Go. Oh, I think Everglow. Yes. This is another Everglow Go I joined. This is the group order manager. I really love joining their Go's. So this is, I think, Everline. Not sure. I think so. So Everline. Oh my god, the back is so cute. So another Apple Music. And this is also Everline. So we have 3 more pops for Mia. Thank you so much. The next letter. Okay, you know what? Okay, this is for buying. What did I buy? Oh, I think it's a membership card. Yes. Oh, I love this card so much. I wanted it so badly, but like I couldn't find it at all because like Yoongi was always already gone. So I knew I had to get this when I saw it. Okay, so his tiny ID photo. And then the big photo card. Ooh. So cute. Oh no, it got bent. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, that's a problem with these top loaders with the big photo cards if they don't fit. But yeah, it's okay, it's not too bad. So thank you. Okay, next up guys, I want to show you this letter. This is how this letter arrived at my house and I was in complete shock. So it came super wrinkly and bent and the top loader has like holes in it, and like I really don't know what happened here. It just got completely damaged, but this is totally not the person's fault that I traded with, because they did everything to package it safely. And in it came this Yeonjun card. I don't know if you can see in the light, but it has like a lot of damages. It's like super bent, but yeah, I tried to flatten it a little bit by putting it under a book, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get. But yeah, I still sent out my trade because this person, it's really not their fault, and I would always trade with them again. So thank you for this cute Yeonjun. Next one we have this, and oh my god, this is packaged so cute. I'm really, wait. Okay, no, I don't know what's inside here. I thought I might recognize the person, but I really don't. Wow, oh my god. What is this? Wait, huh? What did I buy slash trade here? I feel like maybe it's gonna be something from Twice. Oh, it's a Yoongi. Oh my god. I think I bought this. Yeah, pretty sure. Yay, he's so adorable. Oh my god, and thank you for these super cute freebies. That is adorable. You didn't put your ad on here, so I'm not sure who you are, but thank you so much for selling this to me. Another one. Okay, so this is really thick, so I'm just gonna assume that there's Everglow pops inside, and it looks just like that. Okay, so this is from my favorite Everglow group order manager. I'm gonna put their at here, and yeah, I joined a lot of their group orders, and I also bought a few cards from them. So let's see. Yay! Oh my god, look at this. I think these are Make Star. Yes, they are so cute. I mean, they really went crazy with all the pops for this era, like pirate era, but it was so worth it. Like, they are so cute. Yay. So these are, what is this, Everline, I think? Yeah, online and offline. And then this is Apple Music, I believe. Really cute. In here we have, what is this? Is this Make Star? Maybe. Yes. Make Star, and then I don't know what this is from, honestly. And then we have 2 album photo cards. Yay! Really cute. And what's in here? I really don't know. Maybe nothing? Oh yes! Oh, they gifted me these BTS photo cards just because I bought so much from them. And so that, like, all of these were free. So that is exciting. They have like small printing mistakes here, but I honestly don't mind. Really cute. Thank you so much for all these amazing group orders every time, really. Thank you. Okay, next up we have this really big one. Oh my god, candy! Is it candy? Yes! Yay! Oh my god, I love those types of candy. Even though they get stuck in my teeth, I love them. Thank you so much for joining. Oh yeah, that is the other Permission to Dance set. So this should also be a full Yoongi set. Also, these are just freebies, I think. Oh my god, you gave me so many. Wow. Thank you. That is really cute. Oh, I love these film strips. Thank you so much. And then in here should be the Yoongi photo cards. Yes. Yeah, so it's the exact same set. But yeah, I'm gonna have to sell or trade one of these sets, so please don't take it personal. I'm really sorry. I completely didn't notice that I joined two goes for this, so yeah, but thank you. Next up is this cute card. It was already open, so but yeah, it's a Jihyo. I believe I traded this. Yes, I did. So this Jihyo Twistagram card, which will help my collection a lot. Thank you so much for trading. This was a eBay trade, I believe, so thank you. Next up is this letter. And we have another Jihyo. Thank you so much for trading with me. I hope Jihyo's arrived safely. Let me know when she does. Oh yeah, I remember that trade. I still have to send out my part. They were so nice to send it out even though I was still in the US. So thank you so much. I'm really excited to have these cards. So we have again a Twistagram card and a Formula of Love photo card. Thank you so much. Next letter. Hi, thank you so much for trusting me and for trading with me. I hope everything reaches you safely and let me know when it does. Thank you. Oh, much love. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I still don't know what's inside. So let's see. Oh, it's a Yeonjun. Yay. I basically traded all of my TXT cards while I was in the US. And if you're wondering, okay, but how did you trade when you were in the US? My mom did all of it for me, so thanks, Mom. Shout out to you. But yeah, thank you so much for trading. Next up is this letter, and I think I know that there are Everglow photo cards inside. I'm not sure, but yes. Thank you so much for joining my go. I hope this arrives safely. Please let me know when it does. And these are also some more pirate pops. Let's see. So this is definitely Apple Music. And 2 album photo cards. Oh, I love this card so much. It's literally so adorable. Yay. Thank you. Okay. Pretty sure I know what's inside here. I think there's a Jimin's B film strip in here. Oh, B? Butter? No, it was from B. Was it from Butter? It was from Butter, right? Thank you so much for buying from me. I hope Jimin arrives fast to you. Stay safe. Thank you so much for letting me buy. Sorry, I'm like still, you guys, jet lag has been killing me tonight, so I'm still like in my thoughts. So that is really pretty. I love this so much. Thank you. Next we have this smaller letter. Oh yeah, it was a trade. Yay! Thank you for the freebies. And oh yeah, we traded 2 cards. I forgot. Yay! Oh, I love this card so much. Look at him. So pretty. This will help my Yeonjun collection so much. It's like basically done for all the albums that I own so far. So thank you. Next up is this one. Yes. So I'm not gonna say the ad of this person because to be honest, I had a really bad experience with them. Because it was a trade and I sent out my stuff first because it was when I still had a new account because my old one got suspended. So they were like, hey, you don't have any proofs, can you send out first? I was like, sure. And then it took them like 3 months to send this to me after I had been spamming them all the time. And yeah, so I'm not going to tell you guys who I traded this with because yeah, I'm obviously only going to encourage you guys to trade or buy from people that I had good experiences with. So yeah, and this is the ITZY film strip from one of their special editions from the Crazy in Love albums. Yes, so I traded I don't know who I traded for this anymore because it's been like 5 months, but yeah, I'm just happy to have Yuna finally. Oh my god, okay, I am so excited for this letter because this is from literally one of my favorite people on Instagram, and I won their giveaway, which was so sweet of them. And so they bought me a photo card for my wish list, and oh my god, I have to sneeze. Sorry for that. So yeah, they bought me a photo card and that was honestly so sweet of them. They're such a nice person. Oh my god. Wow, it came with so many things. Hey, congrats on winning first place on my giveaway. Hope you like your prize. Please let me know when Jin arrived to you. Stay safe. Love. And this is their at. Such a sweet person. Look at this. So many cute things. Ah, and there's Jin. Oh my god. I think that completes this set, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god. Thank you for all these adorable freebies on top. Oh my god, a tea. We love tea. Thank you. And then, of course, the lovely Jin. Thank you so much. You're really helping my collection a lot. Thank you. Next up is this letter, and oh, it's already open. Okay. What's in here? Let's see. Dear Sabrina, thank you so much for joining my group order for the pops. I highly appreciate it. Mia. I hope Mia arrived safely. Who was this from again? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's just so hard to remember if there's no username written on there. Oh my gosh, I remember now. I remember who it was from. Yes, okay, if I find their ad, I'm gonna put it in here because they are such a sweet person. I have traded with them before and they literally gifted me Everglow photo cards. So, thank you so much. This card is so adorable. Thank you. Okay, here we have a really big letter. So, I'm assuming it's like either a big item or I joined, oops, a group order. Or there's just candy inside. Oh my god. Yay. Oops. Oh, it's another one of these chewy things. Thank you. And there's another Yeonjun. Yay. Hello. Thank you so much for trading with me. I hope Yeonjun arrived safely. Oh yeah, I remember. A really nice person as well. Thank you so much for trading. So that is another Yeonjun. Thank you. Okay, we still have like a lot of letters left. It's like not getting less. It's another Yeonjun. Guys, I told you I almost traded every card, every TXT card that I own or owned. Question is, oh yeah, it's from their first album. Oh my god. Also, can we talk about how adorable you pack this? Like, wow. It's from this person. Thank you. I loved trading with you. Oh my god, this top loader is so cool. Adorable. Really, really cute. Thank you so much for trading again. Okay, this has to be another Everglow Go that I joined. Yes. So it's again from the same person that I have joined before. So we have this Yin, Onda, and Iren. Really pretty. I love these hologram photo cards. Thank you so much. Next up is this, and I'm pretty sure I know what's inside. I think it is a Stacy postcard. Yes. Hey, thanks for trading. Hope she arrived safely. Oh, and this is the person I traded with. Thank you so much. Really happy about this. All right, next one. Oh my god, it's already open. It is, what is it? Oh my god. I think it's Everglow. Is it Everglow? It's Everglow. Yes, yes, yes. So these are the album photo cards that we got, and another Make Star Pop. I don't really remember who this is from, but probably one of the people I have bought from before, so thank you. Next one, guys, it's getting less. I think I have like 5 letters left, maybe. Oh yay! Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy that I have this. And I just noticed that I'm already filming 45 minutes. Like, what's going on? Why is this taking so long? I want it to be quick. Sorry, I'm trying to cut everything. Okay, this is a MMT photo card from Reminiscence era. And I'm so happy that I have this. Oh, guys, you can't believe me. It is so pretty. Thank you so much. Did you put your at in here? I don't think so. Oh yes, you did. Thank you so much. Okay, next one. I'm trying to be quick. This is already open. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? It is another Yeonjun. I believe this was also from eBay, so thank you so much for trading. Wait. Did I buy this one? Or did they just give it to me? Because I'm pretty sure I didn't buy this one. Okay, it was already open. Maybe my mom had opened this. No, but wasn't it closed? Guys, am I going crazy? Okay, maybe I did buy this one. If so, that was really unnecessary because I literally have a lot of these PCs, but oh my god, you guys, what's going on with me? But thank you, still. Okay, next up is this letter. This is, thank you so much for trading. Please let me know when you get this. Oh yeah, I remember it. This is their app, by the way. Traded a few twice cards. Yes. So we have 2 Sanas and 1 Tihyo. Thank you so much. Okay guys, second to last letter, almost there. Hi, thank you for trading with me again. I hope Momo and Sana arrive safely. Please let me know when they do. Yes, thank you so much for trading. Also a really nice person I have traded with before. So we have this What is Love Momo. Thank you. And then we have some freebies, really cute, thank you. And this has to be Sana's Eyes Wide Open, what do you call this? Photo card, postcard, little extra. Really, really pretty. Thank you. Also, it's getting kind of dark outside. Like the sun was up before, but now they're telling me to stop filming. Okay. Might be a trade. Oh, yeah, really nice person. It's written in German, so. Ah, okay. Then I definitely bought this one. Yes, the Little Wishes card, which is super, super cute. Thank you so much. Okay guys, and now I'm just gonna show you some cards that I bought from the US. Because obviously in the US, I also traded and bought photo cards. So this is the first one. We have a Mia photo card that I bought. It's getting super dark, guys. I'm so sorry. And then we have this Cian and this Cian. Inside here we have, first off, these Mia photo cards. Oh, only 2. Okay. So there's that. And then another Mia, which I bought. This is another one. Another Mia. Thank you. Oh my god, guys, I think there's a storm coming. It's so dark outside. And then this is, oh my god, yes. Okay, wait, this Yoongi I bought with the Memories Blu-ray together, so not only the photo card but with the Blu-ray as well. Oh god. And there's another card behind that. Thank you so much. Another one. a Yeonjun from a trade. Thank you. And then the last one of today, this was another Xian. Alright guys, so this was today's mail haul. It definitely turned out a lot longer than I expected, but yeah, I still hope you enjoyed. I might have to split it up in two, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I hope you all stay safe, have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!